Hello, friends. It's still National Poetry Month, and I'm reading to you from my new book, Writing by Heart, A Poetry Path to Healing and Self-Discovery, published by New World Library, available everywhere books are sold. Get your copy now and get your muse on. Today, I'm going to read to you a poem from the section called Color Crazy, and this is Dark Purple by one of my favorite poets, Geneva Toland. Dark purple. You are the color of pleasure, the lust that lingers in the doorway where lovers meet, licking the chocolate melted from the edge of plate. You smile a secret meant for me alone. Often overlooked you, the moment just before the black night claims sky, you, the lady's slipper crawling out of the hot, dark you, the last leaf to burst into flame. I covet you, condemn you, cherish you. How could I not? The spells you weave are ribboned around my wrists. Gladly I'll follow your supple steps into the dark garden. Lay me down where the roses have bloomed and died. Let the thorns graze my skin. Oh, let me be eaten. You, the nymph I have searched the forests for, take me back. Teach me to turn my hair to snakes, my fingers to flowers, how to arch my back up until I etch my spine along the sky and lick the stars. You are not the end, the last sip tipped from the bottle. No, you are the moment before the beginning, the kiss before the kiss, the lips before the word, the hand before the brush of skin. You, the deepest of purples, how long I've waited for the fullness of your hips to rise into mountains. Dark purple, Geneva Toland, from my book, Writing by Heart. Have an amazing day.